Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your money has been quietly losing value every single day. Not because you spent it, not because of a scam, but because it's just been sitting in your bank account. Now imagine there's a way to fix that, without investing, without risk, and without doing anything complicated. That's exactly what a high-yield savings account does. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether your money is working for you or slowly disappearing. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, someone I know, let's call her Sarah, had about $10,000 saved up. She was proud of it. She did everything right. She didn't spend it. She kept it safe. She put it in a regular savings account at her bank. After one full year, she checked how much interest she earned. It was less than $10. At the same time, prices for food, rent, and gas were going up fast. So even though her balance stayed the same, her money was actually worth less. That's the problem most people don't realize they have. Most traditional savings accounts barely pay you anything. Many of them offer around 0.01% interest. That means $1,000 earns just a few cents a year. $10,000 earns only a few dollars. Your money is basically asleep. And then there's inflation. Inflation means prices rise over time. So if inflation is 3 or 4% a year, and your savings earns almost nothing, your purchasing power shrinks. You're doing the responsible thing by saving, but the system quietly punishes you for it. So people are told to invest instead. But what if you need the money soon? What if you want zero risk? What if you want instant access? This is where high-yield savings accounts come in. A high-yield savings account is just like a regular savings account, but with much higher interest. Instead of earning almost nothing, many high-yield savings accounts pay 3, 4, or even higher percent interest. Your money grows faster. It helps fight inflation, and it stays safe and easy to access. This isn't investing, it isn't risky. It's just a better version of saving. So why do these accounts pay more? Most high-yield savings accounts are offered by online banks. They don't have expensive branch buildings. They don't need large in-person staff. Their costs are lower. And instead of spending that money on physical locations, they pass it on to you as higher interest. Same money, same safety, better return. Now let's talk about safety, because this is the biggest concern beginners have. If your high-yield savings account is FDIC insured, your money is protected up to $250,000 per person, per bank. Even if the bank fails, your money is still safe. This isn't a loophole. It isn't a trick. It's simply a part of the banking system most people never use. So when should you actually use a high-yield savings account? They're perfect for emergency funds. Short-term savings. Money you'll need in the next 1 to 3 years. Or cash you're holding while deciding what to do next. They're not meant to make you rich. And they're not a replacement for long-term investing. Think of it this way. Investing is for growing wealth. High-yield savings accounts are for protecting it. Let's compare. $10,000 in a regular savings account might earn $5 to $10 in a year. The same $10,000 in a high-yield savings account at 4% earns about $400. Same money. Very different outcome. So if your money is sitting in a traditional savings account, the real question isn't whether you should open a high-yield savings account. It's why you're letting your money lose value by doing nothing. A high-yield savings account won't make you rich, but it will stop you from getting poorer in silence. And sometimes, that's the smartest move you can make.